Diyos ko, Yesha, ilang taon ka na ba talaga?
7.
Parang maling season sinalihan mo. Ilang taon ka na ba talaga? Great job sa'yo, Yesha.
Parang
Bago
maling
siyempre
season
ang iyong coach,
sinalihan mo.
kay Coach Sharon.
Yesha, that was such a good performance. Ang gusto ko ay yung power ng boses mo for a
Yesha, that was
child
such a
your
good
age.
performance.
May
Ang
mga
gusto ko ay yung
konting
power
sigurong
ng
notang
boses
medyo
mo
nawawala,
for a
pero
child your
forgivable
age.
totally
May mga konting
because
sigurong
of your
notang medyo
energy,
nawawala, pero
your rhythm, your
forgivable
timing, your
totally
showmanship.
because of your
Congratulations, that was a
energy,
nice
your
rhythm, your
performance.
timing, your showmanship.
Ang nakasmile na,
Congratulations,
si
that
Coach
was a
Lea.
nice,
The only thing I ask na kantahan mo si
nakasmile
Lolo
na,
na talagang
si Coach
mahal na
Lea.
mahal na mahal
only
mo.
thing I ask
Parang
na
mas
kantahan
malayo
mo
pa
si
yung
Lolo
naabutan
na
ng boses
talagang
mo.
mahal na mahal
Hindi
na
lang
mahal
dito
mo.
sa studio,
Parang mas malayo pa
kundi
yung
pati na rin
naabutan
sa
ng
labas.
boses mo.
Yung
Hindi
energy
lang
mong
dito sa
napakalakas,
studio.
naramdaman
Kundi
niya.
pati na rin sa labas.
That was
Yung
fantastic.
energy mong napakalakas.
Maraming
naramdaman
salamat,
niya.
Coach Lea. Thank you,
That
Yesha.
was
Keep tayo mamaya,
fantastic.
okay? Maraming salamat, Coach Lea. Thank you, Yesha. Keep tayo mamaya, okay?